Welcome back, everyone. Today we have some exciting news for SHIB. SHIB is winning the battles against Doge. Now, at the competition that already has ended, SHIB is once again the winner. The winner we need to see SHIB. SHIB needs to become a huge winner to see 1 cent gains. Now, thank you so much for dropping a like. We're going to be talking about so much news today. First things first, a lot of people are expecting 10 cents. Now is the right time for the big growth, for eating a zero, maybe even 2 zeros. I'd love to see that. Now, the thing I'm investing in, and this is not sponsored, is Ryoshi's vision. Now, recently I have bought this token, and it's, kind of complemented by one of the SHIB devs, from what I heard. Now, 1-3% of every transaction gets burned to the SHIB address forever. That would be obviously beautiful if we had some sort of thing like that through utility for any of the Shiba platforms. But 1% of every transaction gets redistributed to everyone who has buried SHIB on Shiba Swap. So they're also going to be giving rewards to ex-SHIB holders in terms of their tokens. So I do think as they reward ex-Shiba holders, this is going to seriously grow as they give 1% of every transaction to anyone holding ex-SHIB. Just imagine the amount of rewards we will receive. But token expired the pure vision of the great Ryoshi, the creator of the coin. The price has grown for this coin ever since. So Ryoshi's vision is really awesome, but getting to more Shiba Inu use. Any ideas what work in progress could be? Finally, we have refused to go multi-chain for an entire year of our existence. This allows us to have a smaller attack surface. Bonus, our new developments work in progress are being audited and assigned with the same quality that we used for Shiba Swap. So Shiba Swap is already mostly finished, it's being updated, and that's that. But there's still so many projects for Shiba Inu. So much that will happen. So work in progress, that is correct. So we are going to be seeing a lot of things. Obviously, people are not sure what is that, but it's heavily hinted that it's going to be the next NFT project with a burn. So definitely hoping for that. And you can see trade SHIB with Indian rupee. Now that is so awesome. Coin Bazaars recently added this. And this is again another collaboration, which means if you're holding SHIB, you can once again sell it on a different platform. That is cool. Imagine buying food, indirectly of course, but buying food with Shiba Inu. I love that. I think that is the mainstream adoption. I think a lot of people need that. And a lot of Indians are now coming into crypto, which is something I'll be reading later on. Let's get to that later on. But slowly but surely, I think Shiba Inu could be one of the most used coins out there. Now, 2 million USD SHIB burn. People have been saying, is there going to be a 2 million SHIB burn? Now, even if there is, maybe. Unless Shiba has a function that allows transfers out of contract address, these tokens could very well be burned, and that's not simply true. There have been rumors that from the hack that the coins are going to be burned, but they're actually returned to the holders that originally owned these Shiba Inu tokens. Now, women from small cities contribute to 65% of crypto signups in India. Mumbai-based WarZix crypto exchange latest data shows a 2,648% growth to date in user signups from smaller cities across India. So smaller cities are growing in crypto. The adoption finally happening. A lot of my viewers are from India, so hello if you're from India. But the most important factor here is we Shibarians donated so much to the SHIB and crypto community. I do think India will leave that as a positive note. Now, India's regulatory uncertainties have not affected the investor sentiment towards crypto, as the latest data from crypto exchanges suggest a rising influx of users. Binance-owned Indian crypto exchange WarZix reported such a big increase, it can host up to 100,000 citizens. So tier 2 and tier 3 cities, so smaller cities, are growing in crypto. So tier 2 and tier 3 cities have driven almost 55% of total user signups on a new exchange. So India is becoming the next hub even while it's being regulated. The Indian authorities or the Indian politicians have hinted that they're just going to be regulating crypto. And regulating crypto, putting taxes on it, is a great way to grow by itself. Amid the resistance from mainstream finance, the Indian crypto landscape continues to achieve new milestones. Yesterday, Mumbai-based crypto exchange CoinDCX raised $90 billion in a Series C funding. As of recently, India Tech, an independent body, has also recommended a regulatory framework for Indian government, suggesting ways to handle crypto assets and exchanges. CoinDCX CEO Sumit Gupta supported the move by stating that the recommendations could potentially open immense potential for Indians to participate in the new global asset class. So that is a lot of people coming in. Imagine if every single person in India, which would be kind of unrealistic, invested into cryptocurrency. Now that would be 1 billion. Obviously, everyone would need to have an access to internet. Everyone would need to have, their phones. But even if half of the people invested in crypto, that would be 500 million new users. Now, traders hope for a new altcoin season that Bitcoin has turned to support. So we could be seeing a Shiba Inu altcoin season finally after a long time. We are going to be finally seeing Shiba Inu growing faster, stronger. Everything we have been waiting for. Raven Coin just flipped Ethereum for profit for by far. I will switch back to Raven if it stays the case. So it seems like, there's huge profits to be made as cryptocurrencies and altcoins are beginning back to grow. Now, the U.S. Senator claims support for crypto amendments despite blocking bill. Senator Shelby claims he supports the cryptocurrency provisions of the amendment if the infrastructure bill that his sole objection blocked from passing the state. So it seems like people in the US Congress still support crypto. Now that is big news, as that means there are people out there in the Congress that do not think crypto as a laundering tactic, as a meme coin hub, but actually as something else, as something to connect the users, as something that will have a strong future. So reporting requirements for any entity deemed to be a cryptocurrency broker. We are having big taxation issues, but people are still very happy about the inflation because it's raising the price of crypto. Now, Venmo enables users to automatically buy crypto with cashback rewards. I wonder how many people will use that. This is the next big thing, as PayPal-owned payments firm Venmo has expanded its crypto support by enabling credit card holders to convert their cashback rewards into 4 digital assets hosted on a platform. So instead of getting money back on Venmo, you could actually get paid in crypto. I do wonder how many people will be using this. I think it once again, buys more crypto. So imagine if 1,000 people use that and each spend, for example, 10 euros a month on the cashback program. That is an extra $10,000 on the market. That is an extra $10,000 that are basically being converted from money to crypto once again. Venmo offers its credit card holders between 1 and 3 cashback on select purchases, and the new features also include free transactions on any crypto purchases, as conversion fees for swapping between assets are built into each monthly transaction statement. The payment firm currently supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. Now, the cashback to crypto feature for Venmo credit card offers customers a new way to start exploring the world of crypto, using their cashback earned each month to automatically and seamlessly purchase one of the 4 cryptocurrencies on Venmo. So Venmo currently has around 70 million users. That's a lot of new users coming in. On July 15, Cointelegraph reported the firm increased their purchasing limit of crypto to 100,000 per week. Once again, this is going to be very bullish news for Shiba Inu's prices. Now, Lattice Exchange provides venue for finding undiscovered cryptocurrencies as more people are returning with cryptocurrencies more than ever. I know a lot of people that lost their crypto and, they got a $10,000, $20,000 loss. But crypto investors are always on the hunt for the next low cap gem. Lattice has created a new platform that could provide investors with an early glimpse in up-and-coming projects. And we can see crypto leaders are obsessed with life extensions. Imagine if Shiba Inu will be here in 500 years or even in 50 years. How much will it be worth? Now, the link stretches back to the CryptoPunks crossover with the transhumanist life extension technologies. Everyone is obsessed with actually getting anti-aging research in. So this is what Vitalik tweeted. Aging as a humanitarian disaster that kills as many people as World War II every 2 years, and even before killing disabilities, people, and burden social systems and families. Let's end that. So Vitalik is trying to end aging. Like, that is gonna be hard, but maybe is it possible? Maybe Vitalik will do it. Who knows? But it could be happening. No one knows yet. I do hope so. But hey, let's go with more positive news. Digital insurer Metromill follows through with 1 million Bitcoin purchase, and they bought 1 million. In May, the company said it intended to allocate 10 million towards Bitcoin in the second quarter of 2021. They went through with 1 million, and that's fine. The firm recorded loss of 100,000 in the original crypto buy, and holding roughly 900,000 in Bitcoin as of June 30. So each single month, they're buying 1 million month by month. And says the company held 202 million in cash and cash equivalents. So surely they're looking for crypto now. And imagine if crypto seriously grows in the next 5 years. Where will crypto be? But these big whales, these big institutions are still in. They're still buying. And that's the beauty behind it. Shares of Metromill stock trading under NASDAQ, and we can see here VanEck takes a new approach with SEC files for Bitcoin strategy ETFs. So ETFs are becoming the next big thing. They're becoming like stocks, and they're based on crypto futures rather than direct exposure. So that is something else, as that will attract the mainstream investors as we have more institutions coming in stronger than ever. This makes Shiba Inu a winner. Shiba Inu will have a massive advantage in the upcoming altcoin season. I know it's a lot of news to bear in, but you have to consider Shiba Inu is finally, after the months we have been waiting for, after the big dip, it's moving places. Thank you so much for liking and dropping a like. See you next time. Peace, everyone.